Hi there and happy Sunday. It's Sunday, November 5th, 2021. New album called Green and Blue is coming out December 17th. Because for a good portion of this year, all I could play music-wise was one-handed piano, there are several instrumentals that are included on this album. This song that you're about to hear is kind of a mashup of a song from 2001 called Stuck at the Zoo, and one from about 5 years earlier called The Straight Monkey Blues. And because my wife and I were at the zoo looking at Christmas lights just last week, I thought I'd string that all together and give you a sneak preview of some of the music you'll find on Green and Blue. This is called Zoo Monkey.